living in that nuke even though there was no queen?
Yeah, we had a queen cell in here that never did emerge.
Okay.
So this is basically a failed queen.
They were doomed without
Yeah.
help from us.
So you can see that all the brood that they have is drone brood. They're trying to make a queen cell there,
Maybe out of a drone.
but
cell.
out of a drone, so it's not going to work.
And the only reason you have drone cells is that the actual workers are
Yeah.
laying.
Yeah,
and
there's a
they
laying
basically
worker.
Only
Yeah, so
lay drone cells. So those end up being kind of a waste.
I
To have that
mean,
many drones, but
they're a waste from a standpoint of trying to get that hive to continue. But as far as, evolutionarily, that's their last chance of getting their genetics out there is to make drones.
okay.
So,
So they're serving a higher purpose.
yeah, basically that's the idea.
You were asking how smart bees are, James.
Yes.
Now
They're sentient,
Now you see it.
right?
Now you
They
see
know what's going on. They're thinking bigger picture.
We are doomed, but for the good of beedom, we will continue to work.
They're actually kind of selfish. Their genetics proved to not be good enough to survive, but they still insist on trying.
They're kind of big-headed there.
I'll tell you what. Do you still need the smoker?
No,
Okay.
not for when we're dealing with newts. We will when we crack into that guy, though.
Okay, so you'll just light it then.
Yeah. Okay, so that's that.
So we're ready for top.
Yeah, so we actually didn't even do the newspaper here. I hope that they'll do okay.
So what's the newspaper for?
You can normally put it in between them, and they have to chew through the newspaper.
Oh, to
And
get to the
that'll-
queen,
two
so it gives them
different-
time to acclimate.
Yeah, it'll get them used to each other a little bit more. But I think what we have here is we have so many more bees here. Those bees aren't going to stand any chance. They'll get overwhelmed and just have to accept.
Accept or die.
Yep. Okay.
Go back.
And so this big group of bees is gonna swarm over this group of bees, but not kill this group of bees. Hopefully.
No,
Hopefully
it's-
not. They'll
yeah.
hopefully get to.
It's
Well,
just
hopefully-
that
They'll all
start
come
joining,
together.
And if any of these get aggressive, there's plenty of them over here to take care
stop.
of the problem and not
Yeah,
get the queen involved.
Yeah.
I see.
Hopefully they just.
and the
happily
but the
merge.
queen is the final boss, right?
Yeah, the queen is the final boss in a way. Although she's bigger, she can't move quite as.
Yeah.
But she
Even-
can sting multiple times.
Ah.
Yeah.
Now I was saying to Jim earlier that I heard that bees can sting. See, we got a couple right there, down there, that grabbed onto each other. They can sting other animals multiple times, but they can't sting us multiple times.
No, that's not true.
Okay. So anytime they use their stinger, it's going to rip out their guts.
Yeah, the workers have a barbed stinger, so
So it's designed to.
yeah, it's designed to pull out
And
and
it's
stay
got
in and keep.
not a venom sac. What is that?
And there you go, intelligent
Yeah,
design at
basically
its
a venom
best.
sac. It keeps twitching and putting in venom, so
Okay.
the animal really learns.
Really doesn't want to stick.
Yeah.
I see.
And in that sense, it's also a death sentence for the bees, so they kind of have to. They can't just go around stinging. They actually have to decide it's worth it for the colony, which is probably a good thing.
Yeah.
Okay. You need to bring tops. Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the first time you do it, it's a little weird, but you start to get used to it after
Smoking them?
smoking.
Smoking?
Yeah, yeah. First time it hits you a little hard.
Yeah. Then you get used to it,
Yeah, yeah.
build up that tolerance. Well, I mean, thank goodness there's not even like a little bit of a breeze today, because it would just make things a little bit too much to handle.
Just be a little too comfortable.
Yeah.
You don't want to get too comfortable when you're working with bees. That's for sure.
Beware.
They will sense that.
Beware, you've got the bees. And so you're going to find the queen in this as
That's
well?
the goal. They don't have near as many bees as that first one, of course.
Yeah, this is a smaller.
Ooh, that smoker is. Maybe we move that downwind of us.
These bees.
Oh yeah, thank you, Uncle Jim.
Try to be of help. Use.
Ooh.
Boy, this hive over here is going good now too. I think some smoke might have gotten in there. A little bit of smoke.
How is this hive? Look at that brood. They have a queen.
Whoa. That's quite a few bees.
Yeah, yeah. There's gonna be an explosion in population.
So they're looking healthy.
Yeah, I would say that they're looking good.
Do we need to look? Continue to look here?
Yeah, she's not marked, so we'll try to go
Okay.
ahead and mark her.
Okay.
While we're on a roll with marking. She might make it easy on us, we'll see. Oh yeah, she is looking good.
Would she be right underneath that glob of them right there?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I don't see her.
I don't either.
I tell you what, after you do this for a while,
You start to pick up on it.
no, that beer tastes pretty good.
Beard or beer?
The beer.
Oh.
Beer, yeah.
We're not talking about looking for queens in particular. We're talking about working bees in the sun
Yes.
in July.
Ah.
Yes.
Ah.
You have to,
I'm slow
you
today.
have to interpret.
I woke up at 8 o'clock.
That's a
You're good,
completely
man.
valid excuse.
Good.
I would say that if it was any time.
There is brood all over in the top here.
Okay.
That is.
And I'm sorry to ask this question again, but the brood, is that where the eggs are?
Yes,
Yes.
That's the
those
brood?
are the eggs.
Okay,
And
that's the
those
babies.
brood is the young bees.
Okay. Is that the right there? No.
Oh, I don't see her.
No. I was like, well, that looks like an extra long thorax, right? Is what you're seeing?
I think it'd be abdomen.
Abdomen, okay. Cephalothorax. I'm just making words up now.
I hope they don't have that disease in this hive.
Cephalothorax?
Right.
That's what their middle part is, isn't it?
I don't know, you have to look up that. I didn't. Oh, there she is. See her? Okay, Uncle Jim.
Yes.
Hold
You got her?
Yeah.
I got it.
She doesn't.
She'll be easy to
She
get,
was on a-
you'd
oh,
think.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, she
oh,
doesn't-
oh, oh, she's.
I say she doesn't have many bees around her, so she's gonna be a little more
She
skittish.
just went to the other side.
Yeah, go ahead and flip it.
And she's going back.
Going to the other side now. She doesn't like the sun, is what it is.
I see. Through the... Tell me if I need to move. Okay.
Well done.
And this one can go back in again.
Yeah, yeah, that can go. We can actually, that hive's in good shape. We can put her back together.
Okay.
No reason to jack with it more.
That was quick.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Not like the other one.
Yeah, that first one we had to dig a bunch.
That was almost the last cell, wasn't it? Second or third last cell.
Yeah. Yeah, we went through almost the whole thing on that one.
So now you want Carl to be able to find the queen again later. What purpose does he have to be looking for the queen? Just to save her?
Oh, just to make sure she's there.
Okay.
And, you know, it helps with me too.
Any reason to rearrange any of these cells or just get them back where they
I'll
were?
just put them back in.
Okay. She was kind of working in a pretty open area there, wasn't she?
Whoa!
Really?
Got enough paint on that. Jeez.
You're gonna have the queen's gonna be seeking that out. Okay, now at this point. No, we're trying
No,
to
this
make
way?
enough room. Yeah, I was gonna end up putting it in here.
Okay.
because-
Yeah, this colony's a lot less aggressive than the first one. I guess we did smoke them though. I guess.
That first one, we smoked the first one too, but that first one just has the bee numbers that they usually get a little bit more aggressive when they get bigger.
I see.
They just have the numbers to spend basically. Holy crap.
If that's enough room or not. I guess so. Do you think that's enough space? I think things up enough. Near the other side, and then this one.
Does it make more sense to put that cell in now? I guess. I guess she's not going to be in that area, so it doesn't matter.
Yep, she's down.
Oh. James.
Yes.
Don't let Mo see the dead bee. Okay. I'll try to get rid of the
How's that
evidence.
hive looking for the bricks? The bricks look decent,
Oh.
don't they? They're set pretty well. I guess we'll leave it.
Okay.
So we'll just go here with the new one.
So we're ready for a lid here too?
Yep, we're done with that hive.
Oh, we're gonna. Oh. However, are we gonna move this hive?
No, I don't think they
Okay.
have the numbers
So we're
that
gonna go. Gotcha.
I don't want to spare
Gotcha.
that many. Look at that. It's still all over that. I sense that queen pheromone.
I stole a couple of bricks for that one, but
Yep.
we need to check on all the bricks before we finish up.